In this video, a group of high-performance SUVs takes on an intense spiral-sinking Sandroad climbing challenge as they attempt to escape from a circular track that rises steeply upward, similar in concept to the famous Wall of Death challenge. However, this version is far more difficult because the road is made entirely of loose, sinking sand, which significantly reduces tire grip and friction, making it much harder for the vehicles to maintain traction and momentum. At the same time, gravity pulls the SUVs downward as they attempt to climb higher along the spiral path, making the challenge even tougher. With the loose sand offering very little grip, the drivers must carefully balance speed, control, and power to maintain traction. If they fail to keep enough momentum, the tires begin to slip, forcing the vehicles to back down the sand road and try again. As the vehicles race along the high sand-ground path, they must rely on strong engine power, tire traction, and precise driving control to maintain the momentum needed to climb higher. At the same time, they constantly battle against gravity and the unstable nature of the sandy terrain. Among all the competitors, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the first to successfully power through the steep upper section and reach the top, completing the challenge, while the Porsche Cayenne and several other vehicles are still struggling to gain enough traction and speed to make the final climb. In the second challenge, the powerful Nissan Patrol steps up to attempt the steep sand road climb, facing a demanding spiral path made of loose and unstable terrain. Known for its strong engine and impressive off-road capabilities, the high-horsepower SUV must rely on its power traction and driver skill to battle against the slipping sand and the constant pull of gravity. As the Patrol accelerates and works its way up the challenging incline, every turn of the spiral becomes a test of momentum and control, pushing the vehicle to its limits, with the difficult surface reducing grip and making the climb even more unpredictable. The big question remains: can this powerhouse off-roader overcome the harsh conditions and successfully reach the top? Let's find out. With more than 400 horsepower, the Nissan Patrol pushes to its limits in an attempt to reach the top. However, despite its impressive power, the vehicle still struggles because the sandy slope does not provide enough traction for the tires to grip the surface. As a result, the wheels lose hold on the loose sand, causing the vehicle to roll back down the slope and making it impossible to climb to the top. It makes numerous attempts, repeatedly pushing its limits on the loose surface. And although the task proves extremely demanding, persistence eventually pays off as the Patrol finally manages to reach the top. Even so, the victory does not come easily, highlighting just how tough and unforgiving this sand spiral challenge truly is.